So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, that's frequency, that's velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates in nature. You know, intensity. Look at your boy. Look at your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo! Acceleration of the sound
wave,
propagates.
particle.
So we have
It's a
amplitude,
contradiction
we have
because from
frequency,
one
we have
perspective, or
velocity,
one
we
from a
have
special and
acceleration, and we have
relativistic
momentum.
perspective.
So what is
when
the
we give it
disparity?
frame of reference,
What is the correlation?
Look at your
What is the
boy.
relationship?
Look at your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo! Make sure I look immaculate.